Nurses, are you suffering from the big O? No, not that one. I'm talking about overwhelm, overload, and overdoing. The three O's that are crushing so many nurses right now. If you've been carrying heavy patient loads, answering call lights nonstop, charting until your eyes blur, you know exactly what I mean. These O's lead straight to burnout, exhaustion, and compassion fatigue. But here's the good news. There is a solution. It's called the YogaNurse Sacred Remedy. Breath, movement, rest. Right now, let's try the fastest one, sacred breath. Breathe in for 4. Hold for 4. Out for 6. Again, in for 4. Hold for 4. Out for 6. Feel that? In just seconds, your nervous system shifts from overload to calm. So the next time the big O's come knocking, don't let them win. Take 30 seconds for sacred breath. And if you want more, click below and discover the YogaNurse path to reduce stress, reclaim energy, and keep loving your nursing career.